Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're going to make a big old batch of lacto-fermented pickle chips. These are the absolute perfect sandwich pickle. They're crunchy, sour, and filled with tons of dill, garlic, and hot pepper flavor. Fermenting cucumbers can be a little bit tricky, so in this video we'll go over all our best tips for keeping them crunchy. We'll be making a half-gallon batch using our FarmSteady fermentation kit, and you can find links to the kit and full recipe in the description. To make things even more fun, we're going to do a crinkle cut on our cucumbers, but you can use a regular knife and straight slices too. Now let's get started making these pickles.
For this recipe, you'll need a bunch of cucumbers, fresh garlic, sliced up, a couple serrano peppers if you like heat, and lots of fresh dill. To keep our pickles crunchy, we get them super cold in an ice bath before fermenting. For added fun, we're going to do a crinkle cut on these, but you can use a regular knife as well. Cut your cucumber into even pieces and then discard the ends. Pickling cucumbers work great, but if you can't find them, go for something small, firm, and seedless. Repeat for all cucumbers. Perfect. For your brine, mix up 1 quart of water and 2 tablespoons of kosher salt and stir to dissolve. Adding tannins is another great trick for keeping your cucumbers crunchy. For this batch, we're using a black tea bag. Now let's get your cucumbers in there. Add some dill, garlic, and hot peppers if you're using those. And then layer in more cucumbers. The fermentation time for this is super quick, so you can go ahead and add a ton of flavors so that they really get in there. Get more garlic. You can never have too much dill with pickles. And then get the rest of those cucumbers in there. Perfect. Add your fermentation weight and then pour in that brine to cover. You want your cucumbers to be fully submerged when weighted. Top with your lid. And airlock. And ferment away.
After fermenting for just a few days, you want to move these pickles into the fridge. I'm pretty sure I don't need to tell you what you can put pickles on because they're absolutely delicious on everything. These are our go-to sandwich pickles and the kind that we always bring a jar to any cookout we're headed to. And if you've got great pickling cucumbers that you're looking to ferment whole, definitely check out our video for classic dill pickles. Again, I'm Erica from FarmSteady. Check out farmsteady.com for all our fermentation kits and great recipes, and keep watching. What if you just keep eating all the pickles?